In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with green screen using CapCut. Here, I'm going to use this green screen footage, and I'm going to put it over this background. I'm going to drag the background footage down to the timeline first, and then add the green screen footage on top. Click on the green screen footage to select it, then go up to Video, Cut Out, check Chroma Key, and click the eyedropper. Then move over to the image and click somewhere in the green area. Nothing will appear to have happened. You have to go over to the strength slider and slide it until you see all the green disappear. You can use the shadow slider below it to clean up some of the edges. Now I'll play it back and see what it looks like. We'll try another example that's a little more useful. We'll try this laptop with the green screen. I'll add it to the timeline. And if we play it back, you see it's shaking around and moving. So for this to work, I would have to apply tracking to the background layer and have it linked to the green screen layer so that they both move together. To make it simple, I'm going to take this clip and make it a freeze frame. Click the clip to select it, and then click this icon here to create a freeze frame. The middle portion is the freeze frame, so you can delete the clip before and after. I'll extend the ends to make the duration a little longer. Now I'll add this clip as the background. Shorten the top to match. And do the same green screen process. Select the clip, go to Video, Cut Out, Chroma Key, click the eyedropper, and click on the green area. And then start dragging the strength slider. You can see some artifacting on the laptop keyboard, and that's from the green reflecting on the keyboard. You can use the shadow slider to eliminate some of that and make it look a little cleaner. Now for this one, I'm going to select the background layer and resize it a little smaller so it looks like it fits the laptop screen. Now when I play it back, this is what it looks like. I'll show you another example, this time an iPhone with a green screen. So I'll drag it down to the timeline. And remember, the green screen is always on the top layer because you're going to punch through to reveal the background layer underneath. For this clip, I'm going to change the aspect ratio. You can click here. I'll select 9:16 for vertical video so it fits the frame correctly. It's the same case with this footage. It's wiggling around and you would need tracking to link the background image to the green screen layer so that they move together. Just check on my channel. I'll have a video all about tracking very soon. So I'll do the same thing for this one. I'll create a freeze frame. Same as before, move the playhead to a good part and click here to create a freeze frame. And then delete the clips before and after. I'll add this clip as the background. I'll shorten it. And I'll add another clip as a second background. I'll trim the clips to line up, and it's the same steps as before. Select the green screen clip, go to Video, Cut Out, Chroma Key, the eyedropper, and then click on the green area. Adjust the strength, add some shadow, and that's it. You see the background image looks zoomed in, so I'll select the background, resize it, and I'll adjust rotation to match the angle. I'll do the same for the second clip. And now I'll play it back, and this is what it looks like. So that's some basics on how to use green screen with CapCut. If you want to see more videos like this, check out the others on my channel.